Hey guys! As you can see, I have a candleland theme for Christmas, and one of the things I've done are giant candy canes. And that's what I'm going to show you on today's tutorial using Dollar Tree items. So here are the items that we need. First, we need pool noodles from Dollar Tree. And you can choose your own colors. In my case, I chose red and green. And we also need tape. I used a white masking tape, but you can also use different colors and different kinds of tape such as painter's tape and duct tape. We also need a transparent string or fishing string. I got this from a local hardware store for less than $2. And then of course scissors and also a stake. In my case, I'm using a plant stake that I'm using for my outdoor plants, but you can also use any stake that you have. You could even use wooden stake or metal stakes. So let's start by wrapping our tape around the pool noodle. We're just gonna keep wrapping it around diagonally until we reach the other end. This gives us the pattern of the candy cane. Now we're gonna be using the string. We probably need 3 to 4 feet of string. We're gonna tie it on the other end. I tied it a few times to make sure it's secured. And now I'm bending the pool noodle to form a candy cane shape. And I'm gonna loop the string around it to retain the shape. I looped it around a few times before I tied it. Since the string is transparent, it's not really obvious when you display this outdoors. And lastly, I inserted a stake using hot glue. I inserted about 3/4 of the length, and the remaining part of the stake is what we'll be using to stick it into the ground. And here are our cute giant pool noodle candy canes. Again, you can use different colors for pool noodles and tape. You can also display it indoors close to your entryway table or to your Christmas tree. I hope you guys liked my video and learned something new. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if no one have told you yet today, you are a beautiful person. Have a wonderful day.